that's good enough for me. Ooh, cookie, cookie, cookies hot receive.
Cookie, 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 cookie. Oh, boy, I hope you're enjoying this show as much as I am. Of course, I am getting to eat the product, and you are not, but you can if you make your pledge and get that cookbook. Well, I'm Jim Newsom, and I'm back here, and my next guest is one of our favorite people here at WHRO, Michelle Kremseer. And Michelle is known around here as the premium lady because she is responsible for those gifts of appreciation, right? And
the actual title is Premium Princess. Premium
Princess is her title here, okay? And so when you call in and make your pledges and you get those special gifts of appreciation, you can thank Michelle for doing it. Now, Michelle has brought along professional help today. Her son, Nicholas, is here. And Nicholas, I understand, is an old pro at helping out with cookie making. So we're going to see what we've got here. Michelle's cookie recipe is called vacuum cleaner cookies. Now, why in the world is it called that?
Well, they're so good, people will suck them up.
Ooh, I like it. They're so good, people suck them up. Now, where did this recipe come from?
Actually, it came from a friend of mine, and I had been after her to give it to me for about 3 years.
Oh.
And she wouldn't give it to me until I named her godmother of Nicholas.
You're kidding.
No.
So, a little extortion to get a cookie recipe. So this is from Nicholas's godmother.
Yes.
All right. Well, then I'm glad he's here. This is
Actually,
great.
it's really a simple one to do.
Okay.
And Nicholas is very good at it.
Well, let's take a look at the ingredients first and tell us what we'll need to make vacuum cleaner cookies.
We need ½ a cup of margarine. Make sure it's not butter.
Okay.
1 yellow cake mix without pudding in the mix. 3 eggs. 1 8-ounce cream cheese softened. We need 1 box of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of flaked coconut, and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans.
All right, so we get all that together.
We've got it all out
then what
here.
do we do?
Well, the eggs come first.
Okay.
Why? Whenever you're letting a kid crack eggs, let that be the first thing in the bowl because it's easier to pick out the shells.
Okay. Good job. All right.
Perfect.
Fantastic. Yeah. Woo. Good job.
Now we need 1 yellow cake dot.
Okay.
Right there.
Yellow cake mix.
Uh-huh.
Coming up.
You ready? You gonna pour this in?
Michelle is blessed with 2 children today, 1 small and 1 large.
Okay. Dump it in, hon.
It's the Nick cam now, huh? All right. Yellow cake mix. Any brand will do.
Any brand, just make sure it does not have pudding in the mix.
Okay.
That'll make it too moist.
That would make it gooey.
Now we need the melted ½ cup of margarine.
Okay.
Which is 1 stick.
½ cup of margarine, not butter. Okay. Here it goes. All right.
Okay, now we mix it up.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay, I'll take that. He even does the mixing. All right. Now, is he available to go to people's houses to help with the recipe?
Yes, but I'm not available to go to people's houses and clean up the mess.
Ah, okay.
And we usually like to go over to Grandma's house and make cookies because she winds up cleaning the mess. Okay, when it's mixed, it's moist but not wet.
Yeah, I noticed that it's not wet at all.
The next step is we mash this down on a jelly roll pan. And you need a jelly roll pan because it's a little bit deeper.
Okay.
A little bit deeper than just a regular cookie sheet. And you need that depth.
Let me help, Mom.
Are you ready? Can you mash it out for me? And Jim, you can even help on this part.
Oh, good, the mashing part.
Get your hands.
Great, yeah, let's get in there and do it. Okay, so what, do we spread it out? And
Spread it out, cover every inch.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to be real thin, isn't it?
Well, yes, and you'll be surprised that it does stretch.
Okay. It's like pizza dough, only drier. Okay. Obviously, they're pros at this.
Oh, yes. But, Jim, your side's kind of lacking.
Well, I know. Well, because Nick's helping you out, not me, I think. Come on, we guys are supposed to stick together over here, okay?
Okay. Then we need another bowl, and we're going to do the topping.
Okay.
This is where the other 2 eggs from the recipe come into play.
Okay.
And once again, put them in first.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
And make sure you've preheated the oven to 325 degrees.
Okay, 325.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, whoops. Got it.
One more, honey.
One more. Oops. There you go. All right.
All right, no shells.
Great.
Now we're going to lightly beat the eggs. Get the powdered sugar in.
Okay.
Actually, no, let's put the cream cheese in first.
All right.
It's been sitting out room temperature. It doesn't need to be melted, but it does need to be softened. The box of powdered sugar.
Yes.
Nicholas, you want to dump it?
Just the whole box?
Just throw the whole box
Wow.
in.
Good night. That sounds good already.
Very good, Nick.
Yeah. Good job. Excellent, Nick. Okay.
Now, while this is mixing, we need a half a cup of chopped nuts.
Okay.
And he's my great nut chopper.
There you go.
Half a cup of coconut.
Okay.
Are you ready to put the nuts in?
Are they ready?
I think they're ready.
Okay.
Dump it back in.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we mix that up well. Now these nuts are a little chunkier than we normally do it.
That's because we didn't have enough time to get them fully.
Nope.
Yeah.
Then we just pour it on top. Could you hand me a spoon, please?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's it. Put it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes. I usually do it 50.
Oh, okay.
which
This is
right
a
in
long
between.
one. Long cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Spread it on top.
Spread it. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, that looks good.
And that's all it takes. It's really simple to make. It uses a lot of pre-made ingredients.
And so, and 325 for 45 to 55 minutes,
Yes,
right?
that's it.
Okay, so our oven has, of course, been preheating while we've been doing this. And we take the batch of cookies, we take this, okay, we turn to our oven, our WHRO handy-dandy magic oven. We turn to it. Time elapses, boom, what do you know? It's 45 or 55 minutes later, and there they are, vacuum cleaner cookies. They have come out ready to go. Good night. Now the question, are these good cookies, Nick? Do you like these? Would you like to eat one? Show us whether or not they're good. Now this is the proper way to eat a vacuum cleaner cookie. There you go. That's the way to do it. All right. Fantastic. Good job. Yes, indeed. So Michelle Kremseer and Nick doing a fantastic job here, and that's vacuum cleaner cookies, so named because they're so good that you just suck them right up. Now another great recipe that's available for you in the C is for Cookie Cookbook, and that is a gift of appreciation that can be yours with a pledge to WHRO. So stay with us, more great cookies yet to come. Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks, Jim.
That's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Ooh, cookie, cookie, cookies